Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to ring up an open item or a miscellaneous item. And what that is it's an item that allows you to give it its own name and its own price. So it allows you to ring up an item that you don't have on the menu or your regular menu, or if you need to just make up some item on the fly. And there's a bunch of different scenarios to use it in. And also, I want to note that your establishment that you're at may not use this. So if you don't use it, I'm sorry you're watching this. If you are using it, great. So first thing we're going to want to do is go in to create a new ticket. And then it depends on how it's set up. Sometimes it's on every category or section, and sometimes it's just on one in particular. So I have one added to entrees. I'll put that one there. And also, again, depends on your establishment, but I try to keep them the same color and have them in the same spot on every category that they're on. And it may be open food, it may be open drink, open liquor, open merchandise, open miscellaneous, just whatever. But you do want to make sure you choose the correct one. For example, if it's open liquor and you're here in Oklahoma where we have liquor tax added on to stuff, along with the sales tax, you want to make sure you're ringing up the right one to get the appropriate tax on there. So for this one, we'll go ahead and hit open food. Now, once we hit open food, it allows us to rename it. So we'll just highlight there, or you can hit the X to clear it out, whichever one you want to do. And I'm just going to put in chili. Let's say chili is not on the menu, but we can make an exception and sell a side of chili or a bowl of chili, whatever it is. We'll just make it $5. And you can add special instructions if you need to. Done. That's all there is to it, adding an open item. Also, I might note that sometimes it's restricted to only managers being able to do this too. So if you're trying this in your environment and it's not letting you, you might ask a manager to help out with it. But that's all there is to it. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.